So, very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sanjay Chintakindi. I have done my UG in manufacturing engineering. I have done my PG in CAD/CAM. I have done my PhD from in expert system in manufacturing engineering. I have total 25 years of experience in industry, research and teaching. My research areas will be focused on advanced manufacturing systems, expert system, composites, smart materials, non-energy management, product design and vibration. For this semester I will be teaching 3 courses. This course is I405. It stands about manufacturing economics. It is art and science of balancing process factors to achieve results of business. This is a new manufacturing based economy, deals with digital technologies like 3D printing, industrial internet of things, artificial intelligence, then internet commerce and a highly trained and knowledgeable workforce. It is rapidly changing the fundamentals of how products are developed, scaled and manufactured, and new business strategies are rapidly changing the economy of manufacturing. This course is aiming at giving the student an ample background in the cost analysis, estimation, application of labor cost analysis, material cost analysis and product cost estimation. The applied nature of this course gives students better insight to design and manufacturing problems for economic perspective. For my perspective, the obstacles student will face for this subject is nothing but understanding the basic concept. They have to more focus on the practical examples for each chapter, and they have to bring calculator and solve the problems in the class as well as at home. They have to purchase the prescribed book and they should read the book and minimize the usage of mobiles, as I always focus on this because it is very important aspect. Understand the basic concept and increase the contact hours in meeting with the supervisor or the teacher, and I will be available at this campus right from 7:30 a.m. onwards up to 4 p.m. on all the days. Amount of efforts required from the student point of view is they have to read each chapter and they should do homework as per the schedule, and they should focus on the surprise quiz as it is a essential factor of understanding, and they should attend each class because attendance is mandatory for any subject, and it is directly proportional to the efforts, directly proportional to the grades to achieve for this subject.
نادي الهندسة الصناعية، سلسلة ثراء.